Hi, this is Noah from Screen Print Exchange, a local tech, and I also do Zoom tech calls. So I also sell used screen printing equipment. So this press is pretty much ready to go. I did have to replace the stroke speed controller, which is a Minirac, and these tend to go more than the up and down because you have different pressures on the squeegees and plug bars, and as you add more pressure, there's more problems. So, and these are just always the same. This one over here is always the same for the up and down. So it tends to not short out or whatever it does. This one, the up and down actually has another heat sink, which would have been good for this as well, because heat destroys electronics, as does water. So this is what you'll see in a common M&R Saturn 2538. You got 3 cube relays and and a bank of fuses, your PLC. If you have no lights on your outputs, you probably lost the program, or there's a short somewhere. And the inputs are here. There are how many outputs? 7 outputs on this PLC. So, and the fan's working, which is important. You always need ventilation. If there's no ventilation, these electronic devices tend to fail. Thank you, and go to screenprintexchange.com. You'll see other videos or YouTube it. Bye.